Nocturnal kiwi can be seen if they're fooled into thinking it's nighttime, as in Rotorua's Rainbow Springs Nature Park. Why do New Zealanders call themselves Kiwis?
Because we're weird. We're weird like the Kiwi. There's nothing else out there like us. That's why.
Well, we're named after our nocturnal bird, the Kiwi, which of course only exists here in New Zealand.
Well, I assume it's after the little Kiwi bird.
Why?
Well, I'm not sure. Well, because maybe in the early days they were thought of as flightless little people like the birds.